Bonjour.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurhasanah, my NPM is 078 and I'm from R4B class. I made this video as a midterm assignment. In this video, I will explain how to use an English learning application for the computer assisted language learning course. And for the application is Duolingo. Let's see what the application is and how to use Duolingo. Duolingo is a popular language learning application that helps users learn language through interactive and game-like lessons. The application provides various activities such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises to make learning more fun and engaging. Duolingo also uses features like XP, strikes, leaderboards, and rewards to motivate users to study consistently. It offers many language options and can be accessed anytime, anywhere through smartphones or computers. Because of its simple and interesting design, Duolingo is popular among students and people who want to learn language easily. Duolingo also has several main features that make learning more enjoyable. First, there are interactive lessons that help users practice vocabulary and grammar through quizzes and exercises. Second, there is a listening and speaking feature that helps improve pronunciation and listening skills. Third, Duolingo uses a strike and XP system to motivate users to study every day consistently. And in addition, users can collect gems to unlock certain features and rewards in the applications.
Alright, here I will explain how to use the Duolingo application. First, we need to download the application. Duolingo is available on both the App Store and Play Store. We can simply search for Duolingo in the search bar. And then the application will appear. After that, we can directly install it and wait until the installation process is complete. Once the application has been downloaded, we can open and enter the Duolingo app. The interface looks like this, guys. We'll need to wait for a moment, then two options will appear, whether we want to start learning immediately or log in if we already have an account. Since we are beginners, we will start with these options. Next, there will be 8 or 9 introductory questions to determine how the learning process will work in the future. Next, for the first questions, the application asks what we want to learn, and the application asks which language we want to use in the app. Duolingo provides many language options that we can choose from. You can check all the language available in the applications. Since this tutorial is for learning English, I will choose English as the learning language. After the settings are applied, so The interface, language, and the application will change based on the language we selected. As we can see here, the entire display changed into English. The second question asks where we heard about Duolingo. We can choose where we got information about this application. Here, I will choose from friends or family and then continue. And the next question is ask how much English we already know. This determines our learning level in the application. You can choose the level according to your own ability. In this tutorial video, I will choose level 1 or the basic level. Continue. Next question asks about our purpose for learning English on Duolingo. Then we continue to the next question. Next. The next question is about our daily learning target or goal. There are several choices. The first is casual. The second one is regular. The third one is serious. And the last is intense. For this tutorial, I will choose the serious goal option and then submit it. Next. In this application, there is also a widget feature that can appear on the home screen as a daily reminder to check whether we have completed our lessons or not. After that, the application will show several achievements that we can reach within 3 months. The first is converse with confidence. The second is build up your vocabulary. And the last one is develop a learning habit. Continue. Now,
do you only have this small backpack?
Now we will start the lessons. Here the application can pronounce the sentence so we can learn how to say each word correctly. In this task, we need to complete the speaker's chat by choosing the correct answer. If the answer is correct, it will turn green.
Do you only have this small backpack?
Yeah, you can see here the answer is correct and it will turn green.
Solo means alone.
Are you flying with friends?
Next, we simply continue answering the exercise provided. Besides listening the pronunciation, we can also learn the meaning of words and see examples of them in sentence.
Landed. Just. Our. Plane. Plane. Are you traveling to the U.S. for the first time?
In the next exercise, we are given examples showing the difference between the use of very and much. We can read and understand the explanation by ourselves, and then below that there is a question asking us to choose the correct answer for the sentence.
When does our flight land?
Heavier.
How many countries have you been to?
Do you always travel solo?
My daughter is a traveler, too. She visits a new country every month.
Alright, we have finished completing the exercises, and here there is something called XP. We are asked to claim our XP. In this session we earn 40 XP, and the application shows our accuracy score and the amount of time we spent completing the exercise, and then we click claim XP. One of the advantages of Duolingo is the daily streak feature. One day equals one streak, which show our consistency and commitment in learning English using Duolingo. We can choose how many days we want for our streak challenge, such as 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, and 50 days. Here I will choose the 14-day streak and commit to my goal. Then an option will appear asking whether we want to create a profile now or later. Alright, we have completed today's exercise, and finally the screen shows the lessons and exercises for the next day.
I think enough here for the explanation. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next project. Bye bye.